Hello 8th standard students, welcome back to our channel Vidyarthi. We are discussing the brain teasers of compound interest. Now coming to the question number 8. Messrs. Hira Associates let out the 4 lakh for 1 year at 16% per annum compounded annually. How much they could earn if the interest is compounded half yearly? So it is compounded 16% per annum compounded annually, but if the interest is compounded half yearly, how much it will be? Okay, so principal is equal to rupees 4 lakh and rate of interest they have told 16% per annum compounded annually, but how much it will be? Means amount, how much it will be if it is compounded half yearly. 16 by 2, that is 8% half yearly. Now time, they have told how much? For 1 year. Therefore n is equal to, in 1 year, 2 half years. So amount is equal to P into 1 plus R upon 100 the whole raised to n. So it is P in 4 lakh into 1 plus 8 upon 100 the whole raised to 2. 4 2s are 4 25s are, so ये बनेगा 4 lakh into 1 plus 2 by 25 the whole raised to 2. इसका मतलब 4 lakh into 25 plus 2, 27 by 25, 27 by 25, 25 ones are 25, 100 में 4 times, 400 में 16 times, and then these 3 zeros. Now 25 ones are 25 fives are 25 fours are 100. So 150 है तो 6 times बनेगा, है ना. So फिर आपको मिलेगा 10 बचेगा. So 100 में 4 times and 0. 25 ones are 25, 6 are 150, 10 remains. So 100 में 4 times and 0. So when you multiply, you will get a 4, 6, 6, 5, 6, 0. That is 4,66,560. Multiplication and all रफ वर्क में करने को थोड़ा प्रैक्टिस करो. जल्दी जल्दी मल्टीप्लिकेशन, डिवीजन, सब्ट्रैक्शन, एडिशन एंड ऑल. You have to be confident. Now coming to the 9th sum. Sirish borrowed a sum of rupees 1,63,840 at 12.5% per annum compounded annually. On the same day, he lent out the same amount to Sahej at the same rate of interest but compounded half yearly. Find his gain after 2 years. देखो वो शिरीष पैसा लिया compounded annually और सेम अमाउंट सेम रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट में दूसरे को दिया, लेकिन इट वॉज हाफ ईयरली. सो आपको मालूम है हाफ ईयरली ऑलवेज इट इज बेटर देन एनुअली. सो देयर आर टू सम्स. फर्स्ट P is equal to rupees 1,63,840. Then a rate of interest 12.5% per annum, and time it is 2 years. Time, that is N, is equal to 2 years. So A is equal to P into 1 plus R upon 100 the whole raised to N. So 1,63,840 into 1 plus 12.5 upon 100 the whole raised to 2. To remove the decimal, into 10, 1,63,840 into 1 plus 125 upon, it will be 1000, है ना, the whole raised to 2. अभी 125, 25 5 जा 125, 25 4 जा 100 and 0, 5 1 जा 5 8 जा 40. So you got 1,63,840 into 1 plus 1 upon 8 the whole raised to 2. So you got 1,63,840 into 8 plus 1 9 upon 8 into 9 upon 8. Now 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16. Now 3 not possible, 0s are 8 4s are 32, 6 remains, 8 8s are 64, 0. 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, so 4 remains, 8 5s are 40, 4 remains, 6 are 48, 0. So got 2560 and 9 9s are 81, isn't it? So when you multiply, amount you got is 207,360. 207,360. So he borrowed 1,63,840. So how much he will pay? आप लोग borrow करने के बाद पे करने का है. So amount paid is equal to rupees 2,07,360. This is the first half. Okay. Now the same day he lent. So how much he gave? The same amount. So P is equal to rupees 1,63,840 and the same rate of interest कितना दिया है? It is 12.5% per annum and time it was 2 years. लेकिन उधर क्वेश्चन में क्या बोला है? He lent out at the same rate of interest but compounded half yearly. So half yearly का मतलब क्या करने का है हमें? Divide by 2, isn't it? So it became 12.5 upon 2. That means it became 2 6 12, 2 2s are 4, एक बचा तो एक्स्ट्रा 0 लेंगे तो 6.25% हाफ ईयरली। समझ में आया? अभी n हाफ ईयरली, 1 ईयर में 2 हाफ ईयर्स, सो 4 हाफ ईयर्स। तो वो जितना लिया है तो उसको एनुअली लिया है, तो कितना अमाउंट उसको पे करने का है वो हम फाइंड आउट किए। अभी वो दूसरे आदमी को ऐसे दिया है तो उसमें उसको कितना कमाएगा, दूसरा आदमी उसको पैसा देगा ना, तो कितना कमाएगा, दैट इज द अमाउंट। फाइंड आउट। A इज इक्वल टू P इंटू 1 प्लस R अपॉन 100 द होल रेज टू n। कितना होगा? 163,840 इंटू 1 प्लस 6.25 अपॉन 100 द होल रेज टू 4। अभी 2 डेसिमल है तो इसके लिए मल्टीप्लाई बाय 100 करो, तो आपको आया 163,840 इंटू 1 प्लस 625 अपॉन कितना होगा 100 इंटू 100 4। अभी 25 जा 625, 25 4 जा, अभी 25 1 जा 25 4 जा 100, तो आपको मिलेगा 163,840 इंटू 1 प्लस 1 अपॉन 4 4 जा 16 द होल रेज टू 4। तो 163,840 इंटू ये 16 प्लस 1 17 अपॉन 16 द होल रेज टू 4। ठीक है, तो ऐसे करेंगे तो आपको 163,840 इंटू 83521 अपॉन 65536 ऐसे इतना आएगा आपको 83521 एंड 65536। कैंसलेशन करने के वक्त आपको एंडिंग में आएगा 1670420 अपॉन 8। So final answer will be rupees 8 2s are 8 0 8 8s are 64, then 8 8s are 64, then 0 2.50. You'll get 2,08,802.50. This is the amount he receives. Hope you are understanding. So amount he paid, that was the earlier amount he receives is equal to rupees 2,08,802.50. Please, this multiplication and cancellation and all you have to do on your own. Okay, now what the question is, how much is the profit made? Check what they have asked. Find his gain after 2 years. So amount paid is so much, amount received is so much. So profit made, profit is equal to amount received minus amount paid. Received कितना है? 2,08,802.50 minus amount paid 2,07,360. 0.50 is 2, 10 minus 6, 4. This is 7 minus 3, 4. Now 8 minus 7, 1. He made a profit of 1,442.50. We'll recollect. It is he borrowed, वो थोड़ा पैसा लिया, इतना 12.5% per annum compounded annually. लेकिन 2 साल के बाद उसको इतना पैसा देना पड़ा, 2,07,360. लेकिन जिस दिन वो लिया उसी दिन दूसरे को वो सेम रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट और सेम टाइम के लिए दिया, लेकिन इट इज हाफ ईयरली. हाफ ईयरली में उसको ज्यादा इंटरेस्ट मिलेगा, तो इसके वजह से उसका अमाउंट मिला कितना? 2,08,822.50. तो he made 1,442.50 पैसे profit. Just he took annually, he gave half yearly, isn't it? So that was question number 9. Now coming to the last sum, it is the 10th sum. The annual rate of growth in the population of a certain city is 8%. The rate of growth. The present population is 1,96,830. What was the population 3 years ago? अभी का इतना, पहले का पूछा है. So present population is 1,96,830. That means A. Why A? Because they have asked 3 years ago. Okay, rate of growth is equal to 8% per annum, that is R. Now, what is the time? That is 3 years, that we are taking as N. Now, population 3 years ago, let that be P. So, here we have to find out P. So, A is equal to P into 1 plus R upon 100 the whole raised to N. So, amount is given, means the present population is given. So, we are putting the formula of amount, principal and all, but it is not rupees, okay. It is population. So, P into 1 plus 8 upon 100 the whole raised to 3. 4 2s are 8, 4 25s are 100. So, that means P into 1 plus 2 upon 25 the whole raised to 3. That means 196,830 is equal to P into 1 means 25 plus 27, so it is 27 upon 25 the whole raised to 3. So it will be 196830 is equal to P into 1968 upon 25 cube, it will be 15625. So P is equal to 196830 into 15625 upon 196,830 cancelled, it is stanza, so it will be 15625 and 0. So answer, population 3 years ago was 1,56,250. So whenever they give the present population and they ask the population 2 or 3 years ago, so that ago you take it as P, present population take it as A. Hope you are confident of the full lesson. We have completed compound interest, all the worksheets and the brain teasers. Please repeat the sums 2 or 3 times and be confident of your calculation. Give importance to the calculation. Understand the question properly and then solve it. Okay? Bye. Thank you. All the best.